Hey collectors and builders, welcome back to my channel. We've got a lot of great stuff to cover, so let's get started with the End of Heroes, a new plastic model kit series by Kotobukiya, which is based on themes like horror, action, sci-fi, you name it people. The first wave of the zombies will be out in March, and you can get it for about $20 or so. Here's the first look of the product packaging for the Zombinoid, Biter, and Agony. It seems like the size is about the same as what you would get for a Hexagear Governor. And check out the runners, which I think is the final print for the Zombinoid Wave 1. Now as you can see, it is highly articulated. We check out the joints at the shoulder, which you can move it forward and backwards. The same goes to the torso, the legs, as well as the head, which is really important, especially you want to do like the zombie attack kind of poses. So overall it looks pretty good, and again this is 1/24th scale, which is about 7.5 centimeter, or about 2 or actually 3 inches tall. So over here, this is the Zombinoid Agony, which comes in a red long sleeve as well as blue jeans. So yeah, it should be pretty interesting. Just check out the poses that you can do with it. Again guys, this is the End of Heroes zombie series by Kotobukiya, which is gonna be out in March, and you can actually grab these display or background bases for your zombies at selected stores, which is only available in Japan. So what comes after Wave 1? We're actually gonna get a first look of the Wave 2 Zombinoids, and this time people, we're getting some female zombies. Well, they call it the sexy zombies.
コンセプトはセクシーゾンビ。
セクシーゾンビ。
セクシーゾンビです。
And you know what I think is funny? The prototype looks nothing like the artwork. You know, on one hand, you've got these very hungry looking female zombies. On the other hand, you have these zombies looking pretty healthy, pretty good. I think instead of running away from zombies, some of you guys are gonna go after these zombie girls instead. I don't know what to say, but let's just take a look at the things that you're gonna be getting with it. So as usual, you've got some body parts and highly articulated, but I'm not too sure about the seam lines on the legs. So hey, you know what? The more the better. We've got a bunch of diverse characters to your 1/24th universe. So people, I hope you enjoy this first section of the news, and if you do, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I know you guys are super excited about Hexa Gear because you have seen these prototypes. We are gonna talk about it, but before that, let's take a look at the Jester. On the left, that's what the old Jester looks like. On the right, that's a new one. The only difference is if if you check out the art at the bottom right corner for the new one, there's an extra shade of red. Now, here's the thing. What changes? They actually listen to their fans, right? So the shoulder articulation over here, you can see that the new one, it allows a wide range of movement, which I think is pretty good. Hexagear is also running a couple of campaigns. The first one would be the 3rd generation Hexagear campaign, which is ongoing, started on the 25th, and with the purchase of these models, you're actually getting a special head part as well as knee joints. But unfortunately, most of us who don't live in Japan, you actually can't get it because they are only available in selected stores. Now, the other campaign is known as the Hexa Gear 4th Anniversary campaign, which again, if you shop at selected Kotobukiya stores in Japan, you're actually gonna be getting the acrylic stand with Liberty Alliance as well as the Sonat logo. Now, those are pretty cool, but unfortunately for international people like us, unless you have friends who live in Japan, happy hunting. So I've got the bump up expander right here. Looks pretty good. Review video will be out soon, so make sure you guys subscribe to my channel for more Hexagear content. And back to more Hexagear news. Check out the Wasp. It's gonna be part of the alternative series, but I'm not a big fan of these things. Some of you might like it, so go ahead and spend your money. Before we talk about V-Thor, we're gonna look at this, the signature Balcom Alpha, 16.5 centimeter, and on my side over here we've got a Joy Toy Mac, which is about 22 centimeter. So how big is the V-Thor? Well, the V-Thor should be about 20 centimeter, which is like between a Balcom and a Joy Toy Mac. I would say that it's pretty big, which means it could be quite expensive. But this is what's so cool about the V-Thor. Apparently, it is a humanoid hexagear and a companion to the Lord of Zotax. It looks very organic. Hopefully the color is closer to the A1 Governors or the Lord of Zotax. It comes with katana, which is gonna be 28 centimeter. That's even bigger than the Joy Toy Mac I showed just now, or taller actually. Comes with katana, plasma cannon, along with shield, which you can convert it to a hoverboard. And the best part about the V-Thor is the cockpit, which is at the back that you can pull out. And guys, I'm gonna get it, you're gonna get it, we're gonna spend money, and we're gonna stay happy, right? So this kit should be out later this year, hopefully, or perhaps next year, who knows, but I'm excited. So what else? What's coming out in March? These two, make sure you pre-order, grab it. You've got the horse, you got the updated Ignite. Last but not least, the Manhunter series. We've got the Deepsea Ripper, which is a shark in a body. Well, this shark used to be the king of the sea, and now it's on land hunting for man. That's why they call it the Manhunter, along with the frogs. Makes sense. It comes with 3 pre-painted shark heads, along with 3 non-painted shark heads, 1 body, unlimited combination scene platform, or which is known as the display bases. love the colors, blue, orange, they look pretty cool. Am I gonna get it? I'm actually not too sure because I did not get the frogs. Not too big of a fan for the designs, but hey, check this out. Is this a panda? A bear? What do you think? Or some type of animals? Let me know in the comment section below. It should be pretty interesting to see what you think the new number 57 puppet kit would be. So that's it for today's news, and people, I hope you enjoy today's video. If you do, make sure you check out my videos and hit the subscribe button. And as always, terima kasih, sayonara.